Hi lovelies, so this segment of the video has been sponsored by the Degusta box company, and I am so excited to finally get to unbox my very first box. So this is a UK based subscription, and what they're out to do is to bring brands to you, like to introduce you to different brands, things that you would not naturally pick up yourself. For someone like me who is relatively still new in the UK and finding my way and trying to get accustomed to the food here, this is something I would definitely want to recommend to you guys. So I'm opening my very first box. This is the June box. All right, so you guys, the link to purchasing your very first box will be in the description box, along with my discount code as displayed on your screen. Please make sure to use that upon checkout to get off your very first box. All right, you guys, let's get to open this box. So this month's box is actually quite weighty, and this is what it looks like once you open it. So there's a leaflet here on the perfect picnics in the park. Just tells you what to carry along, some essentials while you go picnicking. This is the perfect weather, I must say, for picnics. So the next leaflet is from Ollie's, and it's just promoting their snacks. I don't know how many of you guys know, but the 21st of June is also known as Selfie Day, and there's something that the Degusta box is doing. There is a promotion where you can enter yourself on Selfie Day to just use the hashtag Selfie Day, carry your Degusta box. The logo must be visible, and you also must be visible in the picture. The prize here is to receive a free box, and we cannot wait to see your selfies. This is the message from the Degusta box. I will be entering the Selfie Day. I will put this in my calendar to remember because I want to get another box. So the winner will be announced on the 7th of July. Alright, so this is just a picnic on the go. This is a box that you can basically take to a picnic. So the first item I will be showing to you guys is
multi-seed Rivita things.
And this is basically a snack that you can probably dip in some hummus and some olive oil. And I'm a huge sucker for snacking. I recently started my weight loss journey, so this is something that I'm excited to try out. To be perfectly honest, I haven't tried thins before, and I'm looking to try this out. However, I do not have any hummus in the house, but I will see how that goes. So the next items are some Skittles, and I got 2 packs of that. So this is the Squishy Clouds, and it is soft and hairy. And the second one is just the regular Skittles, the pink Skittles. I'm a sucker for sweets, even though I'm trying to cut back right now. But this is definitely something I can portion up for the boys as well. I'm excited to try this one out. This one looks like it might be, yeah, it does have some sour. This is the sour range, and I'm a sucker for sour. I'm the kind of person that will put lemon in her tea as opposed to putting milk in her tea. Yes, that's me. So they have the sour apple, the sour pineapple, the sour raspberries, the sour mandarins, and the sour cherry. So this one will probably be my favorite, and I will share this for my boys. All right, you guys. So these two, happy about this one. All right, so the next items are these Manumasa tortillas with spirits, and I got 2 flavors. This is the manchego and green olive, and the serrano chili and Yucatan honey. I hope I pronounced that right. So these 2 flavors are tortilla chips. I mean, who doesn't love tortilla chips? This honey one looks interesting. This green olive, kind of still on the fence with that one, but yeah, I'm excited to try both flavors, and I'll tell you how it goes. All right, so this is one I probably will not be trying, and this is because it has alcohol in it. So this is the mango highball, and this is the sparkling water and alcohol with a twist of natural mango. That's it. So that's how that one looks. And this is the Two Brooks one. This is Kraft Hard Schlotzer. Nice packaging, but I will not be trying that one out. The next beverage we have is the Rio Tropical, and this one looks exciting because it has a bunch of fruits and flavors that I'm interested in. It has orange, ava, apricot, mango, and passion fruit in sparkling water. So this looks like something refreshing. I'm going to ice this up and serve it up to myself. This looks very interesting. I can't wait to try this one out. All right, so in this month's box, there are a range of Hellman's dressing, and the one I got sent is the fat-free one. I was hoping that I'll get the honey mustard one, but this is the one I got. This is the fat-free one, like they know I'm on my diet. So this one has 7 calories per tablespoon, and this is the fat-free vinaigrette. So this is what the bottle looks like. It looks like a life-size bottle, and this bottle is the 250 mils. So this can go on Caesar salads, just basically any dressing. This would probably fit into it. I'll try to incorporate this in my salad. If you're not following me on my food channel, you should follow me on my food channel to see how I incorporate some of these items. The next one is a vegan favorite, and this is the Holly's Olive. All right, so this is the old pack, and this is probably what the new pack will look like. So if you see the new one on the market, just know to get it. It's still from the same brand, and I have a pizza idea just looking at this. I love olives on my pizza, so I would definitely be trying this out on homemade pizza. And for nut enthusiasts in the house, this is the Forest Feast, and this just has a whole bunch of nuts in it. So this is the sea salt crystals and cider vinegar. So this is just a mix of nuts in it. There's the pumpkin seed, pecan seeds, I think I saw some cashew seeds as well, almond. It's just a whole bunch of seeds in that packet. It's about 40 grams, and I can't wait to try that one out. We also have some Smiths, you guys. We have Smiths in the building. I love this. This is such a great thing to have, especially for someone like me who works long shifts, 12-hour shifts. Your breath tends to get funny and fuzzy after a while, so this is definitely something you would like to have in your bag or your purse. I just put this in my bag. So I also got sent some energy bars, and I got 2 from Naked, and this is the peanut butter one, and then this is the coconut hazel one. I love both of them because I love anything nuts, like I said before, so I'm excited to try these out. And last but not the least, we have the Carlston Press, and this is the elderflower lemonade. And this is a huge bottle, you guys. Look at that in comparison to my head. This is the 750 mils, and I love lemonade. Like I told you before, I love tangy. So this is the lemon and apples and a little fizz, wonderfully light. So I cannot wait to try that one out. So you guys, that is everything in my Degusta box for this month. If you are planning to subscribe, please do not forget to use my discount code to get discounts upon checkout. All right, you guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video.
My burst of life. My burst of life. Oh my, it's actually YouTube. By the grace of God, it's actually on YouTube. Actually,
Okay.
I'll find everybody one lady. As I want to see one more to find YouTuber. Hey, oh, Kolami for one.
Side contract.
Ṣé mo wọ́n side contract? Àjọ farawani. Àjọ farawani pẹ̀lẹ́ àṣà. I'm across this.
They change the time.
Hey, burst of life. 10 years, you guys. 10 years. But say J. I'm allergic to Zaju. Let's open the. Oh, you can't. You want to put it?
No, it's fine. Oh, yeah.
I think the boys' toys. Oh, they're taking them out.
Yes. Like it. Hello. Only my mom.
Hello.
I
Hey.
don't like using this place.
Bros MJ.
One
Bí mo ṣe máa ma pè yín láti ojú rẹ̀ léyìí o. Ojú yìí rè.
Yes, so.
Oh my God. So you guys, my brother is here, and I'm so excited, so happy about it, because I haven't seen my brother in 10 years, you guys. 10 years. That's a mighty long time not to see my brother. Anyway, you guys, guess what? This is 9 p.m. This is what 9 p.m. looks like right now in this UK summer. So I'm rushing to LG to get something. He's at home right now with my husband, and they're just gisting. So I just want to pick up 1 or 2 things in preparation for church tomorrow as well. Thank you. And I'm going to rush back home. I catch up on the gist because it's only staying for 1 night. Alright, you guys, I'm inside LG right now. I'll let you know when I'm back home. Or if not, I'll just catch up with you tomorrow morning because I need to catch up on some serious gists. Alright, you guys, later. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. This is literally the next day, and I'm just getting ready for church with the rest of the family, and I am slaying my wig from her giving hair. If you guys remember my unboxing a couple of videos ago, and yes, I'm just showing you how realistic the edges are. I'm also applying some final touch to my makeup. And you guys, I don't know how it is in your house, but Sundays usually it's usually routine, like from when I'm growing up, from when I was growing up until now. It's kind of routine. Just mind your business, do what you have to do, and finish your record time so that you don't get left behind. Anyway, you guys, this is me trying to break routine. I will be disturbing my husband in a few minutes because, I don't know, our men are always too serious on Sunday mornings. But you guys, let me not lie, it was so good to see my brother again after such a long time. And that's kind of one of the downsides of living outside the country. That's because you don't have family and friends that you've grown up with. I mean, my mom and my dad, my in-laws, people that have been such a great part of my life, up until now. I don't get to see them as much as I used to or as much as I would love. But that's life. We'll get to meet again some other time. But I'm grateful for this moment. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I would love for you to stick around, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.